What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Kayotic Motorsports video. Today is the day I've been waiting for. I don't know about you, but today is going to be the day that this car starts again. So you saw in the last video, I had gotten pretty much everything taken care of with the exception of the exhaust, the radiator, and hard mounting the oil cooler. So I did go ahead and tighten up our thermostat housing here. Our oil cooler is officially hard mounted, not going anywhere in there. And it is time to drop in the radiator. Also, I might have mentioned in the last video that the oil feed line was going to need some adjustment from the previous turbo, and that is taken care of also, with thanks to a quick trip to Summit Racing yesterday. So we are going to throw this radiator in here real quick, and I'll pick the camera back up once it's in. What's up, y'all? Back with an update. So radiator is in, all plumbed up. I am waiting on couplers to come. I mentioned this in the last video, but I'm waiting on couplers to come for the turbo, to intercooler piping there, and then for this junction here, and then those will be wrapped up. Radiators in. Didn't do the fan yet because fan positioning in here can get a little funny, so we're gonna wait to do that for now. But yeah, pretty much everything is ready to go. Exhaust is on. Everything's pretty much ready. So from here we are going to start adding fluids. We're doing distilled water with our water wetter here. So we got Redline water wetter. And then for oil, we are doing Valvoline VR1 2050. So we got that going in as well. Yeah, so we're gonna get to that and we'll be back. Alright guys, it is the next day. We have finished pretty much everything up as far as getting the engine together. So the fan is on, intake is on, boost controller is on. Everything's all tidied up. We have the oil feed line for the turbo down here going to milk jug. And then, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but I did add some oil into the turbo just to make sure that it is pre-oiled, since we don't have the oil feed line hooked up to it. So we did add some oil to kind of like prime it, I guess you would say. So I am going to go in and attempt this first start. Kyle's going to hold the camera so you guys can see what happens. Let's hope for the best. Ready?
Yes. oil got either pushed out or sucked down in.
Okay.
I don't see anything in there.
Did you stop the recording? Or is it still going? Okay. Alright, y'all. First step. Started right up. Timing was good. Everything seemed good. Kyle's down here checking if we got any oil through our oil feed line. I did only let it go for a second, being that it was first startup. Oh yeah, we got oil. We got oil. Sweet. So we're gonna hook that oil feed line up and start it back up and let it run for a little longer. Check for leaks. Do all the stuff you do before you fucking, excuse my language, take it out on the road. So yeah, come back when it's running. 1, 2, 3, go. What's up, y'all? So while I was editing this video, I realized that I didn't really do an outro on it. So this is going to be the outro. Yeah, car startup, ran good, everything was good. Drove around the parking lot a little bit and then just kind of parked it, did a little bit of finishing touches on it, and been waiting on in a tune, which you'll see in the next video how that went. That'll be a good one because it didn't go as planned. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed, you should do that now. Every little bit helps. We have been growing quite a bit here recently, so it's pretty sweet. So yeah, thank you all for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.